Here are the top 5 things not to do when taking your carry-on luggage.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
Number 1, don't assume that your carry-on luggage won't get checked at the gate. Number 2, don't overpack or pack the things you may need on the plane at the very bottom of your carry-on. If you do have to pay for your luggage, then tip number 3, don't forget to prepay online because it's more expensive at the gate. Should be a no-brainer, but number 4, don't pack liquids or gels over 3.4 ounces. Put those in your checked luggage. And then number 5, don't forget to put in a spare change of clothes in your carry-on, just in case your checked luggage gets lost. So there you guys have it, 5 things not to do when taking your carry-on luggage to your next adventure. And so if you like this video, please give us that big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more travel tips and adventures. And most importantly, remember, life's an adventure. Who you going on with?